Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today ay mag-a-advance lesson tayo for the second quarter. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to A. Gives the place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10,000s. B. Reads and writes decimal numbers through 10,000s. C. Round decimal numbers to the nearest hundreds and thousands. Mercedes went to Central Mall Robinson Supermarket to buy groceries. She paid 3,423 pesos and 342 centavos for the groceries. The number 3,423 and 342 thousandths is a decimal. It consists of digit to the right of the decimal point. The decimal point separates the whole number from the decimal number or decimal fraction. So this is an example of place value chart. So the place value of the following numbers are 3 thousandths, 4 hundredths, 2 tenths, 3 ones, decimal, 3 tenths, 4 hundredths, 2 thousandths. Each digit of 3,423 and 342 thousandths has the following place values and values. Digits, place value, value. 3, place value is thousands, the value is 3,000. 4, the place value is hundreds, the value is 400. 2, the place value is tens, the value is 20. 3, the place value is ones, the value is 3. Another 3, the place value is tenths, the value is 0.3. 4, hundredths, the value is 0.04. 2, the place value is thousands, the value is 0.002. The decimal 3423.342 is in standard form and is read as 3,423 and 342 thousandths. So, babasahin natin yung place value nung last digit na 2, which is thousands. Another example, 912.4736. So, these are the place value and the value chart. The digit 9, the place value is hundreds, the value is 900. The digit 1, the place value is tens, the value is 10. The digit 2, the place value is ones, the value is 2. The digit 4, the place value is tens, the value is 0.4. The digit 7, the place value is hundreds with TH, the value is 0.07. The digit 3, the place value is thousands, the value is 0.003. The digit 4, the place value is hundred thousands, the value is 0.0006. We read this number as 912 and 4,736 hundred thousands. $6,735.3457. The digit 6, the place value is thousands, value is 6,000. The digit 7, the place value is hundreds, the value is 700. The digit 3, The place value is tens. The value is 30. The digit 5, the place value is ones. The value is 5. The digit 3, the place value is tenths with th. The value is 0.3. The digit 4, the place value is hundredths. The value is 0.04. The digit 5, the place value is thousands. The value is 0.005. The digit 7, the place value is 10,000. The value is 0.007. Again, 0.0007. We read this number as 6,735 and 3,457 10,000. So the place value of the last digit 7 is 10,000. Kaya nakalagay sa dulo 10,000. So let's have this activity. Match the number. Again, match the number word in column A with the correct decimal in column B. Write the letter in the blank before each number. Column A, number 1, 5 and 93 hundredths. Number 2, 5 and 93 10,000s. Number 3, 5 and 903 10,000s. Number 4, 5 and 9,003 10,000s. Number 5, 5 and 93 thousands. So number 1, 5 and 93 hundredths. So yung 3 dapat ay nasa hundreds. Then 93. So hundreds. So ones, decimal, tenths, hundreds. So the answer is letter C. Number 2, 5 and 93 10,000. So 3 ay nasa 10,000 place value. So ones, decimal, hundreds, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So letter E. Number 3, 5 and 903 10,000. So 903, then 3 ay nasa 10,000. So 903, it could be A or D. So 10,000. So ones, decimal, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So the answer is letter A. Number 4, 5 and 9,003 10,000. So 9,003. So letter B. Number 5, 5 and 93,000. So 3 ay nasa thousands, 93. So ones, decimal, hundred, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 93, letter F. So this is how to round off the number in decimal. So first, identify the place value you are going to round off. Find the number. Then look at the digit to the right. If 4 or less, just ignore. If 5 or more, add 1 more. Okay, let's have an example number 1, 8.653. So the place value you are rounding off is ones. The number is 8 and the number na nasa kanan ay 6. So 6 is 5 or more. So add 1 more. Then Add 1 to 8. The answer is 9. Next one, 8.484. So the place value that we are going to round off is tenths. The digit is 4. The number at the right is 8. So it should be 8. Then add 1 more. And the answer is, yung 4 plus 1 magiging 5. So 8.5. Another one, 8.435. So the place value is hundreds. Then the number is 3. Then the digit at the right is 5. So 5 is add 1 more. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So the rounded off number is 8.44. Next one, 6.54334. So the place value is thousands. The digit is 3 and the digit at the right is 3. So 3 ignore. Okay, just drop the number to the right. So the answer is 6.543. Then the number 4.56442. So the place value is 10,000. Then the number is 4. The number at the right is 2. So 2 is ignore. So drop the number at the right. So the answer is 4.5644. Okay, another example. Round off the decimal by completing the chart. The first one has been done for you. So, nilagay ko na dito yung sagot. Number 1, 4.235. The place value you are rounding off is ones. The digit is 4. The digit at the right, 2. 2 is ignore. Then, 4. So, remain the number 4. Number 2, 5.467. The place value is hundreds. The digit is 6. Then the digit at the right is 7. So 7, add 1 more. So add 1 more to 6, magiging 7. So the rounded off number is 5.47. Number 3, 7.429,000. So the digits, the place value of the digit is tenths. The number is 4. Then the digit at the right is 2. 2 is ignore. So remain 7.4. Number 4, 4.673,000. So the place value of the digit is thousands. The number is 3. Then yung nasa kanan ay 0. Wala siyang number. So ibig sabihin 0. So ignore. Same number, 4.673,000. Number 5, 8.345. The place value is ones. The digit, 8. The digit at the right, 3. So ignore. Remain the number 8. Number 6, 5.916. So the place value of the number is tenths. Then the digit 9, at the right 1, 1 ignore, so remain the number 9. So the answer is 5.9 and drop the number at the right. Number 7, 7.368. So the place value you are rounding off is hundreds. The number is 6. The digit at the right, 8. 8 is add 1 more. So add 1 to 6, magiging 7. So copy yung nasa left, 7.37. Then drop the number at the right. Number 8, 0.6753. So the place value you are rounding off to is thousands. The number is 5. The digit at the right, 3. 3 is ignore. So ignore the number, just drop the number 3. So same pa rin, 4.675. Number 9, 3.685. So the place value you are rounding off is tenths. The number is 6. The digit at the right, 8. 8 is add 1 more. So add 1 more to 6. Magiging 7. 3.7. Number 10, 3.452 ones. The digit is 3. The digit at the right, 4. Ignore. So remain the number 3. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.